My Beauty Space and this is me, Shraddha. So today's video is going to be a glam Diwali makeup look. So Diwali is just around the corners and I really want to wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. And also please take care of your loved ones and stay safe. And yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Also please do subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing, but it would mean a lot to me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so I've already moisturized my face and I'm using the primer. This is the Calabar primer. This is a silicone based primer and it fills your pores and it gives you a smooth base for the foundation. So for the foundation I'm using the Sugar Ace of Face foundation and I'm in the shade Vienna. So it's a stick foundation and I'll apply it all over my face. Also don't forget to apply it on your neck, and it also comes with its own brush, so I'll be using the same brush and I'll blend it properly. It's a very stiff brush and it just serves the purpose. It's a very good foundation, little bit on the pricier side, like it's around 1000 rupees, but it's a full coverage foundation एंड इट ऑयली स्किन वालों के लिए तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा फाउंडेशन है. आप लोग ज़रूर इसे ट्राई करें. एंड या यू कैन सी द कवरेज. सो फॉर माई कंसीलर आई एम यूजिंग द मैक कंसीलर. ये मैक पॉट कंसीलर है एंड आई जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन द रेगुलर प्लेसेस लाइक अंडर आइज में एंड नोज़ के कॉर्नर पे थोड़ा होता है, माउथ के कॉर्नर पे, एंड देन उसी फाउंडेशन स्टिक में जो ब्रश है मैं उसी से ब्लेंड कर दूँगी. तो आप बेस देख सकते हो कितना स्मूथ एंड कितना प्रिटी लग रहा है. एंड फॉर द पाउडर आई एम यूजिंग द लॉरियल मैट मैजिक पाउडर एंड या आई जस्ट सेट द प्लेसेस वेयर अप्लाइड कंसीलर basically all over the face. For my brows I'm using the NYPay brow pencil and it's in the shade dark brown. So I'll just apply it with light hands, nothing too dramatic because I already have fuller brows. So yeah, just filling the sparse areas. And I'll just brush the excess with a spoolie. So yeah, for the contouring I'm using the NYPay contour stick and I'll mention the shade in the description box below. And yeah, I'll blend it properly with a blending brush. Just contouring my regular parts, my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose and little bit around the lips. So for the blush I'm using my Maybelline lipstick. It's in the shade sorry, I don't remember the shade, but I'll mention it below. It's a creamy matte lipstick, so works perfectly as a blush. And now I'm applying loose powder under my eyes so that if I get any fallouts I'll be able to brush it off easily. For the eyeshadow I'm using the Focallure Twilight palette and I'm using a coralish kind of shade in my crease and blending it properly. And now just to deepen the crease I'm using a brownish shade, using it little bit below the crease, and I'll blend it both the colors properly. So yeah, please take time in blending because blending is the key for a perfect smoky eye look. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, just applying that shimmer shade in the rest of my eyelids. This palette is really very good. The colors are quite pigmented and you get a variety of colors. Okay, now I've applied the glitter glue and now I'm applying glitter. That's a loose glitter. And I'll just place it wherever I applied the glue. And then that's a black color, and with that color I'll just smoke out my outer V. Yeah, and I'll blend it really well because there shouldn't be any harsh lines. Okay, so now time for some false lashes. And okay, so now applying my kajal. This is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and I'll make a bold line. Also apply it on my upper waterline. Also, I'm applying the same kajal as an eyeliner. I mean, not exactly as an eyeliner. I just want to hide the lash band, so I'll just apply a little bit and I'll smudge it. Yeah, now taking the same matte brown shade and I'll smudge it further for that smoky effect. And now applying a golden shade in my inner corners. So yeah, inner corners just brightens the whole look, and these are foil glitters. And yeah, just removing the excess loose powder that I had applied. I'll take that champagne color and I'll use that as an highlighter. Applying it on my regular places, bridge of the nose, forehead, and my cheekbones, and cupid's bow. So for the lipstick, I'm applying the Faces lip crayon shade. I don't remember. I'll mention everything in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. And I felt this color too bright because my eyes was also very glittery and very bold. So just to mute it down, I applied nude color, and this is the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. And now just finishing the look with the bindi because it's festive look, and some earrings and some mangtikas. And this set is from Meesho. I've done a Meesho haul, so you can check these out there.
That was it for this video. I hope you liked this glittery smoky eye look, and if you did, then please like this video and also comment down below and tell me your views about this look. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle would be in the description box below or somewhere on the screen. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, stay happy and stay safe.